Hi, I'm Tony. I'm the suspension technician here at Langston's. I'm on Gerald's team with the KX500. Just cleaning up some parts before they go off for nickel plating. This is the steel part of the suspension linkage. So we have to be quite critical to clean all the surfaces and clean all the debris from inside the holes, things like that. All the aluminum stuff's being cleaned up. It's time to do the steel.
I'm checking the condition for the specification for the clutch KX500. Specification to the factory where we use the measure right here, and we check to every clutch plate, and the condition is good. We check to the specification right here for the spring, and this 5.
Okay, so this is the cylinder from the KX500. Now you'll see it looks absolutely terrible. This brings back old memories of Kawasaki's back in the day. They used a different system. They called it electrofusion, electrosil. It was prone to flaky. This guy, all we did here was clean it and hone it. There's a little bit, the dark patches are what's left of the electrosil. The rest of it, the rings and everything were running on straight aluminum, and that's why the bike didn't run very well. Funnily enough, the big end bearing was absolutely solid. This needs addressing. We've ordered a new piston, brand new piston. We're going to send this off to our nickel vendor. They'll grinding and they'll build up the nickel, which is a hard chrome, and this will be a perfect fit when it's finished. Actually, it'll be a nicer fit than it came from the factory.